Bonus throw. Connects 1 point. Number 7, pass to number 22. 32 to number 19. Connects for 2 points. Mr. Salon. Number 19, dribbling the ball. Number 19, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 3. Number 10, connects for 2 points. Number 3. Number 7, pass to number 0. Piñaflor. Number 7, pass to number 19, Mr. Salon.
15 Chenla.
Foul and 1 play by Mr. Salon. Foul by jersey number 19, blocking foul.
First warning for penalty.
Rebound by number 23. 23 to number 19. 19 penetrates. Attempts for 2, no good. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul by jersey number 22. Push it. Next, 1 point. Score 37 against 24 in favor of Southern Mindanao.
1 minute, 18 seconds.
Mr. Salon. Pass to number 7, Mr. Martinez.
14 Chenla.
Martinez to Runsal. Connects for 2 points.
1 minute, 5.
Number 19, pass to number 8. Number 8,
55.
pass to number 23, connects for 2 points. Long pass to number 7, Mr. Martinez. Mr. Martinez to number 32, connects for 2 points. Number 3, pass to number 19. 19, crossover move.
35. 15 Chenla.
Rebound to number 8, attempts for 3. Bang, bang, bang! Jersey number 8 for 3.
15 seconds.
Score 48, 42 against 28.
10 seconds.
Martin, pass to 32. Connects, sweeps block by jersey number 32.
5.
23. And second quarter score 42 against 30 in favor of Southern Mindanao. Announcement, mamaliw sa municipal team na mag-exhibition match sa while waiting. Set up na daw ang LED. Again, announcement, Morisco LED team, paliw ko, i-set up na LED kay mga exhibition games na daw sa ML. Salamat. Back to the ballgame for second half. Start for the third quarter. Pass to jersey number 32, sweet spot. Connects for 2 points. Jersey number 32. 21. Pass to number 60. Number 60. Pass to number 7. Good steal. Steal by number 32. Mr. Salon. Mr. Salon. Dribble the ball. Nagpapadali. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass connects for 2 points. Jersey number 0. Number 55. Pass number 60. Number 60. Nakita ng kapasahan. Number 24. Kobe Bryant. Pass to number 55. 55 to 60. For 3. No good. Number 7. Pass number 0. Penetrates. Good next for 2 points. Number 55. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Penetrates. Pass to number 60. Number 60. Nice pass to number 25. Good next for 2 points. What a connection. Number 32. Number 32, pass to number 19, to 7, penetrates for 2, connects. Number 21, dribbling ball. 21, pass to number 7, back to 21 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 7. Ayay! Substitution. Gawas, tulus-ulod. Number 8. Number 8, pass number 55. 55, pass number 19. Look. Was foul red. Foul by jersey number 23. Charge to Northern Mindanao. Shout out Achilles. Number 19, pass to number 3. Number 3, no good. Rebound by number 19. Attacks for 2. Connects for 2 points. Number 19. Number 7. Score 38 against 46 in favor of Southern Mindanao. Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by 55. Number 8, nagmamadali, pass number 3. Number 19, connects for 2 points. Long pass to number 19. Number 19, penetrates. Pulls out, no good. Rebound by number 32. Number 32. Pass to number 7. Attempt second for 3. No good again. bulas sa mga naka-blue. Number 8. Ano na lang now? Number 8. Steal by number 0. Number 0, last foul. And sportsmanlike foul by jersey number 8.
Jersey number 8. And sportsmanlike foul. 2 free throws, ball position.
First attempt breaks. Second attempt breaks. Substitution. Jersey number 1 in, jersey number 2 out. Jersey number 7, passes to jersey number 19. 7 back to 19. Penetrates for 2, no good. Rebound by number 19. Foul. Foul by jersey number 0.
Second personal, second team foul.
Score 48 against 40. 8-point lead by Southern Mindanao. Number 8, Lebre for 3. Short. Number 1, Lakay wala Apelido. Pass to number 7, Martinez. Pass to number 0. Connects with 2 points. Number 8, long pass to number 19. Number 19 penetrates. No good. Rebound by number 3. Connects for 2 points. Number 7. Nagtatawid ng bola. Number 7, pass to number 1. Turnover. Number 19. Steal by number 7. Number 7 penetrates. What a pass by to number 19. Connects for 2 points. Number 19. Number 19 penetrates. Pass number 3. No good. Number 3 rebound. Foul. Foul by jersey number 7.
First, number 7, second, third team foul.
Substitution. 19 out. 23. First attempt, no good. Pagmintis, rebound. Connects. 1 point. Jersey number 23. Pass to number 1, attempts for 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Connects for 2 points. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 8. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 8. Penetrates.
1 minute 30.
Attempts. Counted and 1. Foul by jersey number 3.
Second warning for penalty. One minute, 36 seconds. Third quarter.
Rebound by jersey number 0. Score 46 against 53. Number 23, pass number 1. Number 1 penetrates. What a move! No good. Number 0 with the rebound. And 1 basket count. Foul by jersey number 23. Plays
Team penalty.
on penalty. Connects 1 point. Jersey number 0. 19. Long pass to number 3. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 1.
1 minute, 10 seconds.
Number 1 to number 3. Number 3. Manu Ginobili. What a pass to number 7 to number 1. Attempts for 3. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points.
55.
Number 8. Pass to number 3. Blocked by number 23. Manu Ginobili.
50 seconds.
Pass to number 0. Number 0 penetrates. No good. Southern Mindanao
40
basketball.
seconds remaining.
Score 52 against 53. 1 point lead. Southern Mindanao. Number 8. Nagmamadali. Gusto ng score. Sumalangkat. Connects for 2 points. Number 8.
30 seconds.
Number 7. Foul by jersey number 8. Pushing foul.
Second warning for penalty. Warning. Warning to, warning sa fingers.
Number 23. Pass to number 7. Penetrates.
18
Turnover.
seconds.
Out of bounds.
Voting magaling for penalty.
Number 7.
15 seconds.
To 23 penetrates. Connects for 2 points. Nakalabaw sa ilalim.
9 seconds.
Pass to number 27. Ay, 7.
5.
Foul. Who's foul?
Penalty.
Foul by jersey 07.
2.8 seconds.
Score 52 against 57. 5 point lead by Southern Mindanao region.
Remaining time 2.8 seconds.
First attempt no good. Pagsablay ang baktangan. Connects 1 point. Still by number 23. Number 3. Sayang. End of the third quarter. Score 57 against 53. Still in favor of Southern Mindanao region. 4 point lead. Alden Richard Post.
Squirt.
G-Guys, Alden Richard Post. To the ball. For the fourth and final quarter, score 57-53. Bula sa Southern Mindanao region. Number 8. Pass to number 3. Number 3 penetrates. Back to number 8. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 8. Number 23. Surveying the floor. Pass to number 32. 32. Pass to number 19. Number 19 penetrates. Back to 32. Number 19 pushing the ball. Number 19. No good.